चलते हैं एक स्पेशल क्रिसमस बैच की तरह, जहां देखने को मिला एक सुपर एक्साइटिंग सेलिब्रेशन विद सम अमेजिंग स्टार्स। इस इवेंट में शामिल हुए बॉलीवुड की सुपरस्टार वरुण धवन, जिन्होंने अपनी चार्मिंग पर्सनालिटीज को जीत लिया। आपको बता दें, साथ ही साउथ की सेंसेशनल एक्ट्रेस कीर्ति सुरेश भी थी, जिन्होंने अपनी एलिगेंस से सबको काफी इम्प्रेस किया। और यहाँ थी वामिका गाबी, जो अपने ग्रेसफुल प्रेजेंस से इवेंट में जान डाल रही थी। वैसे स्टार स्टारेड नाइट में एक और स्पेशल गेस्ट थे, प्रिया एटली और मुराद केठानी, जो इवेंट को और भी ग्लैमरस बना रहे थे। और सबसे क्यूट मोमेंट था जब बेबी जॉन की प्रेजेंस ने सबका दिल जीत लिया। बेबी जॉन की टीम की मासूमियत और स्माइल ने इस पार्टी को और भी स्पेशल बना दिया।
Good evening, everyone. I think I've met most of you. Thanks for coming. Uh, we really need your support. Uh, of course, we can make a film. Of course, we can exhibit a film. But still, the primary person who can take our film to the right audience is you. And throughout the journey for the last 1.5 years, you have always kept our film in the top. I don't know why. I think it's pure love. I want the same love to continue and take us to that space where we all want to achieve. And of course, in return, I can assure you one thing. Apart from an entertainer, we have a clean message conveying film, which is much needed for the current society. And let's not just get entertained. Let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots. And thanks for supporting us. Thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 25th to the theaters. Definitely, every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely, as a parent, you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here. And now I will thank my in-house team. Murad Bhai, thanks for being a partner and making this film. And the great VD, Varun Dhawan, Baby John. So he was so sweet and he was outstanding in the film. Till today morning, we were in the final mix of the film. It was very emotional for us to give the film to the overseas. We really felt emotional, and I think Varun Dhawan has really pushed his hard limit to give us maximum to the film. Thank you, Varun sir. Kirti Suresh, who's our best friend, and thanks for accepting this film. And it's a very important role, which is a very challenging role, and she has pulled it off, and it is highly emotional. And I'm sure she's going to make you all cry. That I can guarantee you. And thank you, Amika. I've been waiting to work with you for a very long time. First, we have produced a film, so soon we will work together for sure. And thanks for accepting this film. And my dear friend, and who's 18 years friend of mine, is just doing this drama only in front of you. He doesn't do this. Okay, so he's my good friend. 19 years back, when I was a short filmmaker, he was a short filmmaker. We bumped into each other and said, "I'm gonna do my short film tomorrow. Can you be my AD tomorrow?" And he said yes. And that has been continuing for 19 years. He has worked in Jawan as a second unit director, and he has already directed a film. He should have a great heart to come as a second unit director after directing a film. He has already a director in Tamil industry. And thank you so much. You had a great heart, buddy. So thank you, and definitely he's gonna be the pick of this year as a director for sure. So we have, as a studio, Geo, Cine One, and A for Apple, we are very, very happy to introduce Khalees to this industry. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, being a great support. Thank you, Geo Studio, for being a great support. I think I've done the basic things. Now let's whatever bro you ask bro.
नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट, दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिलीज अ फिल्म अदरवाइज, बिकॉज वेरी लार्जर देन लाइफ फिल्म्स आर ओनली कमिंग नाउ डेज. ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट हो गया. सो इन दैट मच टाइम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट विल बी 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theaters. So we, like at least said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And and Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because ये date historically this date has been आमिर सर बहुत फिल्में रिलीज करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date, and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
thank you so much. Thank you. He had
Thank
told
you.
me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations, but
Thank you. First of all, thanks to Atli and Priya, because this is one of my favorite characters. So this is one of my favorite character that is been played before, and to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya, and hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad bhai and team, and Vamika. I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that, and she's a boxer in that. Wrestler. Sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. And I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Khalees, Khalees, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Khalees. I've learned a lot from you. And that's more important. So thank you so much. And thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
आई नो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. मुझे किसी ने ना बहुत पहले बोला था कि अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, यू वॉच देयर फिल्म्स, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atli sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong, and that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने सिक्योर हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atli sir, he inspired me how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Khalees sir believes in. It was a blast working with Khalees sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं है, but the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so
She
much.
just got married ना तो होता है निकलता है प्यार
It just
शादी के
you know वरुण के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, you know, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating, but he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being
Thank
so
you.
nice.
Likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you.
Thank
You
you.
have no idea how much I've learned from you, the kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Hi, everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us. First of all, I would like to thank Cineone Morad sir. We learnt a lot from him. He handled this project like with so much of love and thank you so much, Morad sir. He's family now to us. And thank you so much, Varun sir. Thank you so much for trusting us.
Priya, you're younger than me or we're the same age?
Almost the same.
So then why are you calling me sir? You know, it's so strange that because even Atlee sir and me, we are the same age. We are the same age. We are the same age. So then if he calls me sir, I have to call. We are only saying sir, 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 sir. But and he's a very cool guy besides being a
Of course, yeah.
producer
He
and
is.
director.
He
Very
is.
cool cat. The cool cat.
No, he's a very, very, very cool person. Like, I've learned a lot from Atlee. And thank you so much, Kirti. Like, she's like our best friend. And I know that she came into this film just for us. So thank you so much, Kirti. Kitty. And Vamika, you're such a wonderful performer, Vamika. I really adore you, like, on screen. You're such a wonderful performer. And myself and Atlee, we're very, very proud to launch our family member, Khalees. He's more than a friend to us. He's been with us throughout the journey in Bollywood. So thank you so much, Khalees. No one could have done this. No one could have done justice to this film. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Khalees is crying.
and we hope to see the same love from you all. And Baby John is releasing this Christmas. Please, please, please watch it in theaters. Thank you so much.
जैसे एटली सर ने बताया आपको फिल्म के बारे में, द मैसेज, अ गुड पेरेंटिंग एंड ऑल, उसके अलावा जैसा आपने ट्रेलर में और देखा है, दिस इज अ फुल ऑन कमर्शियल मसाला एंटरटेनर. बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट भी मिलेगा. इस फिल्म बहुत बड़े स्केल पे है, सो यू विल एंजॉय विजुअली. फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड इज ऑन अनदर लेवल. राइट. So, and songs you have heard, and are we, Amul? Are we? Is there a surprise? So there is one more song coming out today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So you'll see that. So it's a romantic track. So there is a love story and everything in the film.
Yeah.
And I'd like to thank Atlee sir for trusting me. Priya ma'am. Thank you. Zara, thank you.
नहीं आई थिंक हम सब रियली, एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं, तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे.
सर
हम सब
इसको
बहुत-
लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक. ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक. शी धीरे 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 खुलेगी. हु ये मेरे को रैग करती थी. मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए, बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर. ये तो गुंडी है. तो ऑटो में अभी टुक में.
If I take you in auto, doesn't mean I'll become a
She said तू चल ऑटो में चल. क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है? स्टार है क्या? फुल ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे, पूरा भारत दर्शन किया. देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने, सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोग को. तो नहीं, ऑटो में नहीं गए, ceiling में. वो गाड़ी में गए.
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है, मैं अभी शादी करके आई हूँ तो आई एम सिटिंग वेरी डिसेंट अभी.
हेलो.
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की दैट इट वाज अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद हिम. जनरली लोग कोई भी इंटिमिडेट होगा दैट यू गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग विद सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बिग टीम हु हैव been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं ज़बरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारी मैं. That he's such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would always want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. Like he's not someone who'll only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him.
You know, honestly, मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था. Though I was a kid, I would enjoy. I when I did films also early on in my career, I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ, kids can watch these kind of films. You know, I want to make films that children can watch, they can enjoy, put a smile on their faces. And that's why I enjoy a lot with kids. I enjoy their games. I enjoy doing masti with them. And I saw her bottle. It's so pretty. And with her, तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ. हम लोग ने इतना shooting किया है साथ में. And I have to say something about Zara, that she is a very, very good actor. Don't go by how old she is. She's a very, very good actor. She's a very intelligent actor. And वो जिस तरीके के emotions लेके आते हैं.
See that?
ये
She's too smart.
फुल धमाल है ये, पटाखा है एक नंबर की. And we had a lot of fun together. She has another little sister and little brother also. I would play with her little sister also in the van. And she gave me a gift for my baby. You know, when I had a baby, she gave me a gift also. So thank you, Zara.
But have you changed as a person?
I don't know. अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोल रहे तो. Change मतलब after becoming a father have I changed? I don't know यार, मैं इतना अपने आप को स्टडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. But मैं कोशिश I'm right now I'm running such a tight schedule, इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing as yet. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during मैं तेरा हीरो. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो जोन में जा रहा हूँ. I'm feeling. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ Instagram पे collaboration कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हम लोग actual film में कर रहे हैं, proper collaboration, which feels good. And he's one of a kind, has the largest heart in our business. And I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very, very, very pleased. वो सीधा compliment तो देते नहीं है. मुझे बस, I mean, he just saw me and said, "Baby John, बड़ा हो गया baby." I mean, I don't know if that's a compliment, but yeah, I mean, वो that's a very good question and बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने Baby John में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stan Siva to some other ones that we used, it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi. And before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis, that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you all are both mad, so I have to be careful you all don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours, upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of other torture he's done. But
You can only do that. Sir.
Huh?
That's why. You can only do that. Sir. That's why.
sir, every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Of course, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed. I'm hoping for the best.
I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything. And in the emotional way, what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
बात तो सही है, बात में दम है. एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड. जनता जनार्दन. सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, एंड them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. तो सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है. पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. The way he's entertaining us through all his tours. And honestly, it just took one request. एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का. उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया. He said, I would love to work with Atlee sir. I would love to sing for you. And वो set पे आए, and he was just a dream to work with. I think working with Diljit was so easy that day. We had so much fun. बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में, and I think he's in a spiritual place. भाई वो एक artist है जो बहुत pure है, and वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को entertain करे, it's so beautiful to see. Just अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है. And I'm going to be co-stars with him also soon. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी next. But whatever. But I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song Nain Mein Takka, and song is doing so well. गाना hit हो गया है. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhee, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atlee sir also for getting us the songs. That's a good question. I think my confidence, a lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, if this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well. It's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this film. You know, वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put na. It's very difficult. We are also pushing. Even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.
I'm very grateful, thankful. ये words बहुत ही ऐसे लगते होंगे, grateful, thankful, but I know how it feels. It's just, I thank God every day that for a person like me who comes from a background जहाँ पे chance नहीं है ज़्यादा. You know, I don't know मैंने क्या ऐसा life में किया है that I met such good people in my life who, I don't know, saw what in me, supported me. Thank you so much, Atlee sir, again. My first meeting with him, and the way he inspired me, the way he just motivated me in the first meeting, I was just surprised. I'm like, if I ever be really successful in life, that's the mindset I want to have in life, how to give chances to people that you really believe in. And I'm so glad that he believed in me. And Kalis sir, when I met him for the first time, I didn't know that I was meeting him for the second time. I'd actually met him few years back on some other South Indian film set. And that was a surprise to me that I've already met him. I'm just very happy to be working with Varun sir and Kirti and produced by Murad sir, it was just like it's a dream come true. And I swear मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ ये कैसे हुआ है, क्या मैंने लाइफ में या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे that I'm experiencing these moments in my life. So thank you and thank you.
And yeah, if something, see, for a child, you're right. If a child, something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect. Because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे. So Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor. और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable. Yeah,
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you'll answer one question for me?
Yeah, she'll answer.
She talks a
Wait,
lot.
you ask.
She
what
can
what do you
talk
want to
a
ask?
lot.
Say, क्या पूछना क्या है आपको?
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
We go all out to entertain the audience, and cameos are in certain films are made for a make a added advantage to the film, but certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed a added advantage. At the same time, the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's the snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if Salman sir can do it, it'll be great. Then it immediately happened.
बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. कुछ ऐसे सीन्स है ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स है वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था जिस तरीके से शूट होता था. तो कलीसा वुड इनफैक्ट टेल मी दैट वरुण डोंट गेट सो इमोशनल इन द सीन, ट्राई एंड बी स्ट्रेट. बट मैं सीन में परफॉर्म करते करते ही आई वुड sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way, but in a commercial film I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way, and I can guarantee you that chapter of the film जब वो आएगा it is going to shake up people. I'm sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना एक्सट्रीम में गया नहीं हूँ. I mean, yeah, in बदलापुर, yeah, we would. In this, it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में, हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. I don't want to go too deep into it, but I can just tell you that the case is going to hit everyone very.
रियलिस्टिक जोन को भी क्रिएट ही करना पड़ता है. तो मेरे लिए इवन खुफिया या जुबली या ग्रहण वो सब बहुत अलग अलग दुनिया थी और वो सब अलग अलग डायरेक्टर्स थे. तो जब आप किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो, आप उनके साथ उन्हीं की दुनिया में जाके उस फिल्म को क्रिएट करते हो, उस कहानी को क्रिएट करते हो. आप सही कह रहे हैं कि ये दुनिया बहुत अलग है उन जो मैंने कहानियाँ पहले जिनका मैं हिस्सा रही हूँ. आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. हम इंडियंस हमने बचपन से ही ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमेशा बहुत रियलिस्टिक फिल्म्स देखते थे. हम सब बड़े हुए हैं कमर्शियल फिल्म्स में, लार्जर देन लाइफ, क्योंकि वो देखने में मज़ा आता है. वो आपकी नॉर्मल लाइफ से थोड़ा हटकर है. आपको उस दुनिया में जाके जहाँ पे आप थिएटर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो आपकी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी चल रही है. तो मेरी भी बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कि मुझे ऐसी दुनिया का पार्ट होना है जो लार्जर देन लाइफ है. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मुझे चांस भी मिला. तो कैसी फिल्म में, मतलब एटली सर इज़ प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस फिल्म, दिस कास्ट, द प्रोड्यूसर्स, आई एम जस्ट लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं सीधा जंप कर रही हूँ तो बेस्ट. और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत खूबसूरत रहा, अलग था. सीन्स को देखने का नज़रिया, कैरेक्टर को देखने का नज़रिया, मैं बहुत हर एक सवाल पूछती रहती थी समझने के लिए कि ये क्या क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मुझे इनके साथ रहकर ये वाली पेंटिंग बनानी है. यू नो, इट्स लाइक मुझे बताओ ना कौन से कलर्स यूज कर रहे हो, मुझे बताओ ना क्या बनाना है. लाइक इट्स लिटरली लाइक दैट. तो एक आर्टिस्ट को तो यही चाहिए ना कि हर बार कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जाए, नई पेंटिंग हो. तो मेरे लिए तो बस यही था. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
मुकुल आनंद डायरेक्टेड दैट फिल्म. इट्स कॉल्ड हम. फिल्म में अमिताभ जी थे, रजनीकांत सर थे, गोविंदा जी थे. एंड मुकुल आनंद इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट डायरेक्टर्स व्हाइल ग्रोइंग अप. खुदा गवाह भी बनाई थी उन्होंने. एंड दैट फिल्म उस वक्त भी, जिस अग्निपथ भी बनाई थी उन्होंने, द ओरिजिनल. एंड उस वक्त जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी, टेक्निकली भी बहुत अहेड थी वो फिल्म. सो हम जिस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड दिया था, जिस तरीके से अमित जी का वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दिखाते थे, सो या तो मतलब आई थिंक अमित जी ने ऐसे कितने आइकॉनिक फिल्में की है.
Right.
यू नो, देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इटसेल्फ, जो कि न्यूअर जनरेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स शुड नॉट फॉरगेट दैट बाइबल. वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट दैट बाइबल स्टेइंग हियर. बहुत चिल्ड आउट आदमी है वो. बहुत ही आसान है उनके साथ काम करना, उनके सामने रहना. एंड हिज बिहेवियर इज अमेजिंग. वो कैसे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे. एंड ही इज टू कूल. ही इज वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट एक्टर्स वी हैव हियर. और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन भी करना था उनके साथ. काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हैं मेरी उनके साथ, बट ही गेव मी फुल फ्रीडम. ही इज़ वेरी फिट, स्टिल वेरी वेरी फिट. So I think Kalis and me had a great time working with Jackie sir. I think he was an amazing fit. Atlee sir has worked with Jagu Dada in Bigil as well before this. And from day one, for the casting of for this role, Atlee sir he said, "This is the man. This is the man." And he's gone beyond. I think this is I couldn't say reintroduction, but this is Jackie Shroff 3.0, I would say. You see what he's done in the film.
तो दोस्तों, ये थी एक ग्लिम्स ऑफ द बिग क्रिसमस बैश, जहां स्टार्स ने मिलकर क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन का मजा लिया. अगर आपको ये इवेंट पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए हैप्पी हॉलीडेज. मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.